Do you love Korean barbecue lettuce wraps? Well, then you need to make this condiment sauce called SsamJang that will take your Korean barbecue lettuce wrap to a whole new level of deliciousness. Today, I'm going to show you how to make two versions of SsamJang, the easy, simple recipe and this gourmet version that rivals any Korean barbecue restaurant's SsamJang. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있는 쌈장 2종 만들기. 아주 간단한 쌈장 레시피, 그리고 황금 레시피. 네, 너무 맛있어서 숨겨놓고 혼자 먹는 쌈장 보여드리겠습니다. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다.
This one, just like, so good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. Now, to make our SsamJang, we need doenjang. This is fermented soybean paste. No, not miso. Miso is Japanese, so you want to get doenjang, Korean. And gochujang, which is fermented red pepper flakes. You might have also seen these guys online and at your local Korean supermarket. These squeezable guys, don't get. You want the one that comes in boxes because that's the original thick gochujang that you want to use. These bottled ones, they are not as thick and they add some other stuff in here to make it squeezable. So I would always default to the original that comes in boxes. SsamJang also, they all come in these green boxes or these squeezable ones. Of course you can use this, but if you want to upgrade using this, just watch the gourmet SsamJang version that I'm going to show you in a little bit. And for my friends that do not live near Korean markets, check the description box below and I'll have all the product links there so you could conveniently order them online. Here I have 1 tablespoon of doenjang, half a tablespoon of gochujang, and a 1/4 tablespoon of honey. Remember, this is not supposed to be super sweet. And to this, we're gonna add 1 big pinch of kessogum. That's sesame seeds crushed with salt, about less than 1 teaspoon. And then to this, we're gonna add some 참기름, which is sesame oil, just a light drizzle like that. Less than half a teaspoon. And then just a little bit of black pepper, just a tiny bit. And then all you do is just mix this up and that's it. And you can make this at home. So yummy. Yep, it's simple as that. Just mix and mix and this is done. As easy as that. And we're gonna push this to the side, and here I have the same thing. 1 tablespoon of doenjang, half a tablespoon of gochujang, and then now I'm just gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Now you could substitute using brown sugar if you have that, but you know, honey is always better to cook with. And on to making our gourmet SsamJang. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of scallions, and I have some butter that I melted just a little bit. This is half a tablespoon of salted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic that I grated using a microplane, but just mince it fine. And this is optional. This is 소고기 다시다. That's a 1/4 teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. Vegan friends use 1/4 teaspoon of yandu, or you could just skip that. And we're gonna add a small pinch of gochugaru on top and a big pinch of sesame salt, kessogum, like that. And then we're gonna add some black pepper, just a little bit, just a small pinch. And a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, less than half a teaspoon. And then we're just gonna go in and mix everything. Wow, it smells really, really good. Look how pretty that looks. So just mix everything until the butter is completely incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. And this is done. Easy as that. This like makes me want to go eat right now. Like go make myself a Korean lettuce wraps, some barbecue in it. So good. So we're gonna taste the first one that we made, the simple one. So good. That's all I could say. It's delicious. My mouth is like literally just like screaming for more, and like now I'm totally drooling in my own mouth. And the second one, using another spoon. Oh, this one, just like, so good. The flavors are not as sharp tasting as the simple one, and it's just now, the garlic is now taking over my mouth, but subtle in a very, very good way. Shh, don't tell the others, but this is my diet tip. I kind of suck at it, but I have to do it. I make this and I would get like carrot sticks, celery sticks, or cucumber sticks, whatever vegetable sticks that you prefer. And I have it with this when I'm craving something salty, garlicky, savory, and yummy. You have that together with this, it would curb your hangry monsters from attacking you. A confession to make. When I'm not on a diet, which is almost every day, I put the SsamJang over a bowl of warm Korean rice. Oh, let me just tell you, you just mix that sucker up and you could just have it as is, or put some scrambled eggs and maybe avocado, or just add some kim crumble, mix it all up and eat it. So good. You're welcome. So if you're asking me if I'm on a diet today, no, not really. Oh, bon appetit, everyone. You know, this isn't that bad. It's just rice. So simple, but literally, oh, this is so satisfying. SsamJang, as you know, is essential when you have Korean barbecue and you do the lettuce wrap, Ssam. So let me show you how to enjoy your SsamJang with beef, chicken, and fish, and avocado. Wait, don't go anywhere. Make sure to check out youtube.com/modernpepper. Go to the playlist and click on Korean barbecue recipe playlist so that you could have a delicious Korean barbecue party at home with your family and friends and eat it with your delicious SsamJang. So I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so supports my channel tremendously, so I want to thank you in advance, and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.